Hey guys, I'm finally back on YouTube. This is my first video since I don't even remember when. But you're probably wondering, why haven't I been posting on YouTube? Well, there's quite a few different things that went into it, but the biggest one was I had a very stressful situation with my job happen. I was laid off, brought back, laid off, brought back. It was kind of a crazy, messy thing, and I was extremely stressed and I would say I was extremely depressed as well with all of it. So I kind of stopped doing things on the house and I stopped making videos, and then I quit my job and started a business. And I do a lot of freelance work for like people all over the United States. Freelance work for me is design work. Like I have done coloring sheets, I've designed logos, I've done a lot of different graphic design things for people, and it kept me pretty busy. So I felt comfortable quitting my job and going full-time freelance pretty much. So that kept me really busy, and then I landed a really big, for me it was big, job illustrating a children's book, which I think is so cool. Like I'm still excited about it. I have it right here. I illustrated 1, 2, 3s with Butterfly Bella. So that's awesome. Like, still weird to say that I've illustrated a children's book. But anyways, back to why I haven't been posting. So starting my business, CAD Media, and doing freelance work. And then I've done a little bit here and there with the house. We've worked on the library. We did a lot of yard work. We re-shingled the porch roof outside. What else have we done? I've taken a lot of wallpaper down. That's all I can think of off the top of my head, but I'll include all the little time-lapse videos of all those things that we completed. And I will start posting on YouTube more often. I am in a good place now, mentally, and I'm excited to share the rest of my journey with you guys.